as the question says, a block of mass 30 kg is being brought down by a chain. If the block acquires a speed of 40 cm per second in dropping down 2 meters, find the work done by the chain during the process. Now, drawing the free body diagram, for this question we are having a block of mass m, having a downward acceleration a downward force of mg, and an upward force tension which is due to the chain actually. So we can frame the equation as mass into acceleration equals to mg minus t, and putting the values over here we will be getting the tension equals to the mass m into g. This is actually m, that is g minus a, giving us the tension force as this. Now we can employ the third equation of motion to find this acceleration, because this a is actually unknown, and obviously we will be requiring all the known terms in the expression. So employing the third equation, 2as equal to v square minus u square. And why we applied this only? Because there is no variable of time over here. So giving us acceleration equals to v square, that is actually the speed has been given as 0.4, the final velocity. So we will be having 0.4 whole square minus u square, which is actually 0, by 2s, and s, that is actually 2 meters, giving us the acceleration of 0.04 meter per second square. Now friends, we have actually to find out the work done by the force. Now work done is Fs cos theta, where theta is the angle between the force and the displacement. Here this angle is actually 180 degrees because the displacement is in the downward direction while the force is in upwards direction. So we will be having the minus Fs because cos 180 degrees is minus 1. Putting the values we get, that is the force we are having is mg minus a, but it is negative, and the displacement being the 2 meters because they have given it in the problem. Putting the values over here we get minus 585.6 joules, that is approximately minus 586 joules.